In this video, an instructor will view and print a learner's certificate from the course, then scroll down to the course completion section. Here's the certificate link. I'm going to give it a click. On the next screen that appears, if you belong to more than one school as an instructor, pick the school name, and then what will happen is below you will see a list of learners that have a certificate available for them. Find that learner's name in the list and notice to the right-hand side, there is a drop-down black arrow. I'm going to give that a click and the certificate will open. So now we see a certificate. The learner's name will appear in it and as well when they completed the course. To the top right hand, you'll notice the icons allowing you to print or save.